Greetings to all of humanity. It's really a joy, it's my pleasure, it's my honor. Always being out here connected in nature. I'm bringing to you this message of emancipation, whereby I'm pointing you to look inwardly to discover that your real identity is your divinity. And that is why I want to share with you this Neville Goddard manifestation technique that you can do to create your reality consciously. And this Neville Goddard technique is basically you sending out positive vibes to bring others to discover their Christ self. And when you understand the 12 disciples, how they represent the 12 discipline of man and 12 qualities that are in you, you will understand that Andrew is this quality or discipline that always going and finding others and bring them to discover Christ. Okay, so those of us who are more aware of our mind power and how we can use our mind power to achieve our every desire, we are to use this breathing technique, this Andrew breathing technique, to reach others also. So it is very simple. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and you can put it to work in your life to help your friends and your relatives. But let me say, you must do things as you've been led. Always follow your heart. Always trust your intuition. Okay? Do not do anything just because you can do it, but do it based on leadership and guidance from your intuition, which is God in you. Okay? Now, the breathing technique, the Andrew breathing technique, is that you want to first of all see this person in a place of affluence or a place of joy, peace, happiness, or whatever the desire may be that you have for this person. And you're going to close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes open also. Okay, and you're going to visualize this person in the way that you would like to see them operating in a place whereby it bringing satisfaction and peace and so on and contentment to them. Okay, so you're using your imagination on behalf of another, and you're sending out that positive vibration out. Okay, and you're doing it through breathing. So you, with your intention and you using your imagination, you find yourself in a rhythm of breathing. Something like this. You start breathing like breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And you breathe in and breathe out and breathe in and breathe out until you build it up to a rhythm where you like breathing like something like this. And then you release it out. You send it out. And when you send out your intention like that, you feel virtue leave your body, you feel strength leave your body, and you send that positive vibration out to that person, whoever it is, whether they want to be in a certain job, whether you want them to discover this truth, whether you want them to look more inwardly or whatever, whether you want the Bible to be revealed to them so that they will come out of secular Christianity, whatever the intent is. As long as you've been led and as long as you feel very, very much inspired, you send it out as that. Is as simple as that. So I can be sitting, okay, or lying and seeing things happening within my mind's eye towards this person, good things, okay, and just get into this breathing pattern. It's a simple breathing pattern where you start to breathe from your diaphragm, the lower part of your stomach. So, okay, so you breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, okay, and then you find that rhythm, okay, and it builds up, and then you let it out, okay, in one great exhalation, okay, and that's how you send that positive vibes out. So my brother, my sister, I want to encourage you to always send positive vibes to those who you are in touch with. Send positive vibes to those who you know and you would like to see them in a better situation. Always send positive vibes to them. As for myself, those who are following me and those who are supporting this work, are sending positive vibes towards them, that they will rise and grow in every aspect of their life. And that is why we are to do this for each other, because we are all connected and we are all one. And Abdullah taught Neville Goddard how to use this technique. And Neville would have proven it, because he studied the Bible with Abdullah for more than 5 years, up to about 7 years, and studied Kabbalah also. And so he learned to use it, and he would have seen it work many, many, many times. And I'm saying to you, let us use this manifestation technique, not just for ourselves, but to manifest for others also. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, this is just a word of encouragement to you to use this manifestation technique to manifest on behalf of others, and to practice mindful breathing also, and to understand that you must operate in the function of all of the disciples that are written in the Bible, because you are the 13th one who's operating these 12 principles, these 12 qualities that are in you. So my brother, my sisters, let's get to work, because humanity needs us and we need each other. So with that being said, I want to thank you all very much, and I want to say, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me and what I'm saying, it makes sense to you and you're willing to use this Neville Goddard technique. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I'm saying to you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, I would encourage you to follow me on Instagram at Black Mat Guru. And also, if you'd like to support this work, you can support this work on Patreon by becoming a patron, or also you can donate by way of PayPal, whichever way. Because if this is helping you in any way and you understand the golden rule of life, you will realize that you must do unto others as you would have them do unto you. That's why I'm encouraging you to use this Neville Goddard technique on behalf of others. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.